booking game. It's probably really a recruiting game. So you all get the center square free, so you can all mark off your center square. And I know you all have a pen, and everybody that has a pen is going to get a ticket tonight for that drawing. So you get to mark off the center square. Now, first square is see you at the top. So if you have a see you at the top square, just mark it off. We're going for a bingo, ladies. See you at the top means lots of competition between all of us that love our jobs. Because, you know, I love my job. Because whenever I go to work, I end up at a party. Okay, the next square is do what I do. Everybody here has the opportunity to do what I do and have just as much fun as I do. Because I love our jewelry, and my hostesses love our jewelry, and they get so much free jewelry. Okay, the next one is need shower gifts. Stock up tonight because we always have a special sale on our jewelry. So this is a great time to put things away because we have our normal is buy two at regular price and get one at half price. This month though, we always have a special every month, and this month it's buy two at regular price, get two at half price, buy three at full price, get three at a half price, and it just builds. So if you wanted to spend or get lots and lots of stuff, you could buy 50 pieces at regular price and get 50 pieces at half price. Wow. Okay, wedding soon.
Question, I'm sorry, what was that last one?
Okay, and the next one, a wedding soon. Anyone have a wedding they have to put on? It's a great time to get jewelry for those brides to be, or for the girls in the wedding party. I also offer theme parties. As you can see, these leis I have on tonight, this is for Hawaii because we offer a trip every year. And I'm planning on going to Hawaii. Okay, nobody's got a bingo yet? All right, let's see.
Yes.
Travel. Anyone here like to travel?
Oh, yeah.
Anybody get that square? So, gather orders. When I get ready to take your orders.
Oh, bingo. I have bingo.
All right. Then your prize tonight is, you get to pick any piece of jewelry tonight, $100 or less out of the catalog, and I'm going to give it to you free.
Ooh, do I have to book a show to do that?
Yes, you do.
All right.
But I know you want it because everybody likes to play bingo.
All right.
When I get to a show, I hand everyone